Comments from the engineering panel.
Hello, I'm Mark Hoffman. I'm the Deputy Vice-Chancellor Academic and Vice President of the University of Newcastle. I've also had the pleasure of being the panel convener of the engineering panel for the RAE 2020.
Hi everyone, I'm Bernard Horn. I'm an Emeritus Professor of Manufacturing Systems at the University of Liverpool. I'm the Deputy Convener of the panel and was also a member of the RAE exercise 2014. In total, the panel assessed close to 1,000 research outputs submitted by 249 academic staff from 5 universities, 19 impact case studies, and 9 environment submissions.
Are the universities performing well in the RAE 2020?
Overall, the panel found the quality of the submissions to be of a very high standard. The quality of submissions in UOA 14 demonstrated extraordinarily high quality and indicated that the area ranked in the world's best in terms of research outputs and impact, which reflected the high quality of the research environment.
In the areas covered by UOA 15, the panel noted the very high quality research in biomedical engineering, which stood out in this unit. We note that the total number of staff in UOA 15 only amounted to 29% when compared with UOA 14. The building up critical mass in selective areas of UOA 15, such as biomedical engineering, specialty materials, and energy, is most likely to accelerate its research growth and impact in the medium term.
What are the strengths of the 8 UGC-funded universities and the areas with potential for further development?
Area 14A, Mechanical Engineering. The overall quality of the research in mechanical engineering of UGC-funded universities is very high. In particular, the research in some areas such as energy materials and computational fluid mechanics is at the forefront in finding solutions for grand challenges. The research environments are among the best in the world, and this was also reflected in outstanding impact case studies.
The Area 14B, Production Engineering. The outputs submitted were of impressively high quality. Researchers collaborating with peers in reputable universities in the USA and across the world, and publishing in the most regarded journals for their findings. But certainly, impact takes longer time to materialize compared with the research receiving citations. The cases submitted show definite and positive benefits of academic research, and this is highly commendable and should be further promoted. The research environment statements clearly indicated that strong support and excellent infrastructure is available to researchers to conduct world-class research. Area 14C, Textile Technology. In general, most textile activities at universities across the world is focused on the fashion and design areas and reflects the popularity of taught programs and student preferences. In the case of Hong Kong, textile technology research, there's a unique blending of technology and innovation which is crucial to the future of the textile industry. An area with potential for further development is AI and data analytics in textile manufacturing, design, and retailing. It's also advisable to continue to couple the materials expertise with textile manufacturing design and capabilities in healthcare, wearable electronics, leisure, sportswear, product design. But building the interface between design and technology and fostering the leadership in this area will be beneficial.
Area 15A, chemical engineering. The chemical engineering subdiscipline of the UGC-funded universities has demonstrated a high overall quality of research in this round of the RAE. Chemical engineering areas assessed are, in general, very well funded compared to their counterparts in Australia, which is reflected by the large amount of excellent research infrastructure and facilities. Area 15C, other technologies, including environmental engineering and nautical studies. The overall quality of other technologies in UGC-funded universities has significantly improved since the last assessment and is comparable to that of Group of 8 universities in Australia.
Area 15D, biomedical engineering. A key strength was the degree of multidisciplinary research and the support of multidisciplinary activities over the past 5 years of the assessment period. The impact case studies were strong and demonstrated a clear emphasis on translation and commercialization for healthcare applications. The speed of translation was impressive and was further evidenced by the strong support for clinical translation present within the research environments in Hong Kong.
How can the universities strive for further excellence?
Universities in Hong Kong can collaboratively develop an impact capture tool which may allow them to monitor the impact generated from the start of the research to its completion and beyond. Impact capture requires systematic data collection. It has become increasingly important over the past decade. An impact capture tool and a structured impact plan right from the beginning of any research project will increase the efficiency of evidence collection.
Industry 5.0 is introduced and defined by the European Commission as going beyond producing goods and services for profit. It shifts the focus from shareholder value to stakeholder value and reinforces the role and contribution of industry to society. It complements the existing Industry 4.0 approach by specifically putting research and innovation at the service of transition to sustainable, human-centric, and resilient industry. The panel sees it as a great potential to further develop for Hong Kong academics and universities.
There could be programs to facilitate and encourage collaboration with top scientists across the world even further. Exchange activities with deliverables around academic papers, prototypes and patents could help cement the world-leading research environment.
I'm most pleased to say that our RAE process ran extremely smoothly, especially considering the global environment under which this exercise was undertaken. Panel members should take credit for their dedication. The outstanding support of the Hong Kong UGC Secretariat should be fully acknowledged.
We congratulate Hong Kong universities for a stunning performance in the RAE 2020. We look forward to further research excellence from Hong Kong.